Hey, so today I'm going to share. Ooh, I just hit myself in the face. Today I'm going to share with you some very basic workouts to basically just keep your body in tone and in shape. And it looks like my dog is going to join me today, unless he runs away like normally. Um, so we're just gonna start with some basic stretching and yoga poses. Okay. Most people know the children's pose, which is just you're in my way. And you just stretch down, just like this. Okay? He's licking my hand. So you just stretch down like this. And then you go into this, which stretches out your back. And the farther in your arms go, the better you're gonna stretch your back. So from the front, it would look like this. Okay? And then you just want to do some simple front stretches. My head can touch the floor. If yours can't, that's alright. Then each side, in the butterfly pose, basically you want your knees flat on the ground. Most people are like this. That doesn't work. So you want your legs flat down, and you just want to lean forward. Don't worry, it's just my mom calling. She'll get over it. So try to keep your knees down and go all the way to your feet. Okay. Now, most people do the quad stretch standing up, but you can also do it laying down. So you just pull your quad all the way back. And you do the same thing with your other one. Okay. And then whatever you feel like needs stretching with your arms, with your neck, I don't know, whatever you want to stretch. He apparently wants to stretch his whole body. There you go. Okay. So, now he's gonna want to play. So, okay, in the middle. So the first thing that you want to start out with, you want to lift straight like this, okay? And then you're just going to lift your leg up, okay? Just like that. And you're not going to feel it at first. You're going to be like, wow, this is so easy. But after a couple, you're really going to start feeling it. And this gets your quads and your butt. Okay, and then you go flip over. I don't really want to show my butt on camera. So, you're just going to switch sides and do the same thing. Ooh. Stop chewing on the blanket. Okay. Okay, so you're not gonna. He doesn't want this to happen. Okay. So then you're just gonna do some basic bicycles, which is stop, which is just like a crunch. Stop circling me. Okay. So you're gonna take your arms from at your ears like this, and every time one leg comes up, your opposite arm goes to touch it. Okay? Stop. So we're just gonna do enough of those so you can feel it. Oh. Alright. Alright. You're gonna go in your crate in a second. Stop! Okay. Alright. And then you can just put your legs straight up in the air. And touch your toes. Okay, try to keep your arms as straight as you can. Same thing with your feet. And then I'm trying to go quick because I don't want this to be a half-hour video, but yeah. And then you can do some squats. So basically, go. Go. The big thing with these is to keep your legs straight and your back straight. And then you just go up. My knee cracks every single time. And then hold. And up. 1, 2, 3, hold. So those are just some of the main, well, not the main, but some of the basic workouts I do. Depending on how many videos you see, I'll do more of me like on machines and stuff.